Hello again, grade 3. We are going to take a look at the possibility of doing flowers, if you prefer that to the monarch butterfly in the previous video. So get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil and maybe an eraser, and we're going to try a few wildflowers from Saskatchewan. Okay, so I took a look through one of the sites that I suggested to you, and I found a flower called Avens. And this is just a little tiny bud flower, or the buds sort of look like that. And they have a nice long skinny stem, and come and sort of hang off the little stems like that. And we'll maybe do one more over here. You could either do a selection of wildflowers, or you could maybe do just one kind of wildflower and do a whole bunch of them. They have a very distinct skinny little leaf that's kind of jaggedy at the edge. A little jiggity jaggedy one here. These don't have to be fancy, as you can tell. I'm being careful to make it look like what the flower is supposed to look like, but I don't have to do anything too fancy. And then when you add color later, it will be beautiful. So this is the purple Avens, and you can give that one a try if you like. If not, of course, you can pick a different one. So down here, I'm going to show you something called a brown-eyed Susan. And you may have seen these before. They're quite distinct, and they have a brown, dark brown center like that. And then the petals of this flower are yellow. And so the stem is a little bit different than the other one, in that it's a little bit thicker, I would say. And the leaves are not jiggity jaggedy like the other ones were. And so you could do this flower and then another few just with a few different angles, or you don't have to do a brown-eyed Susan at all. I'm going to show you one more today, and that is the purple clematis. And this has its very own distinct look, and the flowers have long petals, and the one that I chose was purple. Not a purple theme going today, except for the yellow one up there. And this has flowers that have 3 petals on it. So 1, 2, 3. And like I said before, every plant has a very distinct kind of leaf, so you have to take a careful look at it. These ones come a little more like this, and they're in groups of 3, these leaves. And the leaves come to a point. So this leaf, they have very distinct leaves on these. So this would be a light purple, this would be a little bit of a darker green, this would be maybe a light green. We'll play with color tomorrow. So those are the ones that I decided to try, and you are able to try whatever you like tomorrow for flowers. You can find something on the internet that you like, or you can decide at school tomorrow and we'll do it together. See you tomorrow, grade 3.